Oura Ring is a smart ring used to track sleep and physical activities. Ring is packed with advanced sensor technology and an app to deliver precise and personalized information to its users. In October 2021, Oura announced its new third generation Oura Ring. And now Oura is shipping these new rings, and that package just arrived. Let's have a look. I like this box, and hopefully I like the content even more. Okay, now let's see. Here. First thing is the ring. It's looking good. Sensors and other electronics can be seen here nicely. And next is the charger for the ring. Each size of the ring has its own charger. It's quite tight fit. Charger has USB-C port. And here we have nice wrapping for the charging cable. I like this. The cable is USB-C to USB-A cable. And then we have the paperwork. A quick start guide showing clearly. First need to put ring to charger, download Oura app if you don't have it yet, and open Oura app and let it find your ring. Naturally, Bluetooth must be on. But now let's do connection. When in charger, Ring's Bluetooth is searching for a device to connect. As you can see, it starts blinking blue. Now when opening Oura app, here in upper right corner, you can see your current ring. Swipe to second page and then scroll down, and there you can see set up a new ring. And there it is. And it finds new firmware, so let's update it right away. Update is done and battery charged, and it's ready to go. One of the new features is daytime heart rate tracking, which should be interesting, and some other new features as well. And ring itself looks and feels really good. And next, I'll just wear it. I'll be coming back with the review video after some time using it, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, consider subscribing now so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And as always, write down below your comments if you found this video and what are your thoughts. Have you ordered your ring, or maybe planning to? Super interested to hear. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.